Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add legends on the chart in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. So firstly, click on the N side of the chart. So after that you can see the options of plus. So just click on it, and here you can see the options of legends. So when you will click on it, you can see legends are added on the right side. So if you want to change the position of the legends, so here you can see the options of top, left or bottom. So when you will click on the top, you can see legends are added on the top. So if you want to add on the left side, so just click on the left. You can see on the left side legends are added. So if you want to add on the bottom side, so just click on the bottom. So you can see legends are added on the bottom side. So guys, in this way you can add legends in the chart. So guys, if you want to change the color, so just click on it and then click the right side of mouse, and here you can see the options of fill. So just click on it. So you can select any color according to you. So guys, in this way you can select any color. So here you can also change the outline. So you can see outline is added. So guys, in this way you can add legends in the Excel, and you can change the color and outline color in the Excel. So guys, if you want to remove the legend, so just unselect the legends. So you can see legend is removed. So guys, in this way you can add the legend and remove the legends from the chart in Excel. So guys, if you want to watch more useful videos related to Excel, then go to playlist and you can find more useful videos related to Excel. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.